Scottsdale is known for its warm desert climate, with long summers and shorter, more comfortable mild seasons in spring and fall. During these milder months, homeowners often look for ways to enjoy fresh air and natural breezes without over-relying on air conditioning. One of the best ways to do this is by upgrading your home with new, energy-efficient windows. Not only do they modernize your space, but they also improve airflow and ventilation, creating a healthier and more comfortable indoor environment. Better window designs for airflow. Modern windows are designed with both efficiency and comfort in mind. Unlike older models that may stick, warp, or fail to open properly, new windows glide smoothly and allow for better ventilation. Casement windows open outward like a door, catching side breezes and directing them into your home. Double-hung windows allow you to open both the top and bottom sashes, promoting better air circulation by letting warm air escape at the top while cooler air enters from below. Sliding windows are great for larger openings, providing a wide space for airflow during Scottsdale's pleasant afternoons. By selecting window styles that maximize ventilation, you can take advantage of fresh desert air without compromising comfort. Reducing stale indoor air. During Scottsdale's sunny seasons, many homes experience stagnant indoor air due to sealed, inefficient windows. This can contribute to stuffiness, humidity buildup, and even allergens lingering inside. New windows provide an effective solution by improving the exchange between indoor and outdoor air. With better seals and smooth operation, you can easily control how much air enters and exits your home. This is especially beneficial during mornings and evenings in spring and fall, when temperatures are cool and inviting. Energy efficiency meets comfort. One of the major concerns for Scottsdale homeowners is balancing ventilation with energy efficiency. While older windows often leak air unintentionally, raising energy costs, new models are designed to control airflow without waste. Modern features like low-E glass coatings, double panes, and insulated frames help keep cool air inside during warmer parts of the day while still allowing fresh air in when you open them. This means you can enjoy comfortable breezes without worrying about spiking utility bills. Enhancing indoor air quality. Good airflow isn't just about comfort, it's also about health. New windows can significantly improve indoor air quality by allowing pollutants, odors, and allergens to flow out while bringing in fresh outdoor air. For families in Scottsdale, where dust and pollen are common, this makes a big difference. Pairing new windows with screens also helps filter out debris and insects, so you can enjoy ventilation without the hassle. Designing for natural ventilation. New window installations also give you the opportunity to rethink placement and orientation in your home. By positioning windows to align with natural wind patterns, you can maximize cross-ventilation and reduce your reliance on mechanical cooling systems. Scottsdale's mild seasons are the perfect time to take advantage of this natural airflow. For example, pairing windows on opposite walls or strategically placing casement windows can create natural air circulation that keeps rooms cooler and fresher. Conclusion. Upgrading to new windows in your Scottsdale home does more than improve aesthetics. It enhances your indoor living experience during the city's mildest, most enjoyable seasons. With better designs, smoother operation, and advanced energy-efficient features, new windows help you enjoy fresh breezes, improved air quality, and greater comfort. By investing in modern window replacement, you can reduce your dependence on air conditioning, lower utility costs, and create a healthier indoor environment, all while adding value to your home.